Hello, students. I'm so excited for our next episode of Tower to Table to Tummy. And I'm here with some celery, some parsley, and a secret ingredient from our good friends at Gotham Greens. That's right. We're going to be featuring pesto in our amazing green Bronx Machine booming 3-bean salad. Wow! I'm here with the magic hands of Mr. Chef Jesse, and I see so many plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So today we're going to be focusing on 12ths. And wow! Exactly at the heart of this salad are some amazing things. They're our friends, and they're called beans. Here we have 1, 2, 3 plates of Garbanzo Beans. 3 twelfths makes 1/4. Here we have 2 plates of Pinto Beans, and 2 twelfths makes 1/6. Here we have 2 plates of Cannellini Beans, and 2 twelfths makes 1/6. Along the way, we have some diced red onion, which I just love. It smells so good. We have some chopped celery. We're gonna add in a pepper and some mystery ingredients. So I'm gonna step out of the way and see what the magic hands of Mr. Chef Jesse are up to. We're gonna take our beautiful red pepper. Remember, bear claw always. And the first thing we're gonna do is remove the top. We're gonna take the top, pull out the seeds. Now remember, students, always wash your hands, and if you're cooking with or for strangers, it's okay to ask for a plastic pair of gloves. Safety is tantamount to all that we do. We're gonna bang those little seeds out. Look, each little seed fell out so that there's nothing left inside. Then we're going to take the pepper, turn it on its flat side and cut it right down the middle. Then we're gonna simply slice it into slices, kind of thin, long slices. I'm gonna take a bite of this bad boy because I'm hungry. And right now we're gonna start dicing the peppers. Dice, dice, dice. Always use the bear claw. And let's make sure we have those peppers ready. Wow, we're gonna get the peppers right there on that plate. That's 1/12. Wonder what's next. Mamma mia, you should smell this parsley. It smells so good. The problem with television is that it is not smell-o-vision. We're gonna take that parsley, roll it so that we get the nice best parts of the leaves, and then delicately mince it, making sure we use the bear claw and keeping our fingers far, far away from the edge of the knife. Wow, look at it. It's like little green snowflakes. I'm so excited to see what it tastes like. I'm so excited to taste what it tastes like. I can't see the taste, but I can taste the taste. But boy, does it sure look good. And we're gonna keep chopping, making it even finer and finer. Wow, look at that. It's like green magic confetti. And do you know parsley is great for digestion? Wow, I can't wait to see what this stuff is gonna do to my belly. But I bet all together this is gonna be one booming 3-bean salad. So we're putting the parsley on 1 plate. And what are we gonna do with that last plate, Mr. Chef Jesse? I can hardly wait to see. That's right, we're gonna add in our super special ingredient. It's pesto from Gotham Greens. And we want to give a big shout out to our buddies at Gotham Greens for making some amazing pesto. But I like to say our pesto is the besto. We're going to get out 1 big bowl. I can hear Jesse's fingertips banging on it right now. Drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. First thing we do is add in the garbanzos. 1 garbanzo, 2 garbanzo, 3 garbanzo makes a quarter of the recipe done. 1 plate of pintos, another plate of pintos. Drum roll, please. Boy, this is one heavy salad. I bet there's a lot of fiber in here. Cannellini beans. We're going to add in the celery. Think about what the soft beans with crispy celery are going to taste like. Are you excited? I sure am. I can't wait to dig in. What's next? Look at those tiny little flakes of onion. They're gonna be so good with the beans. Parsley is next. And look at that, how it adds such a beautiful color. Mamma mia, look at that color. It's almost too pretty to eat. And now the red. You know, this is almost like a Christmas salad, except you can eat it all year long. Now remember, we are gonna add some salt, but only one little pinch, and that is it. I'm super excited to learn about how we add pesto to our salad, but first, we're gonna add in some olive oil. Ooh, wow, just a drizzle. You never wanna drown your salad. Remember, it's always best to add less oil because you can always add more. But if you add too much, there's no pulling it back. So go slow, my friends. We're gonna open up that delicious pesto. Wow, look at that green goodness. That is basil at its best. And we're gonna take it, put it right over the top, and I know what's coming next. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. We're gonna stir that, and look at the color. Oh my gosh, students, family, friends, and amigos, I'm ready to dive right in. Look at that, look at the colors, look at the texture. And to think we created this recipe in under 5 minutes, and this can be an entree, a side salad, a garnish, or a great healthy snack, gets me so excited. I want to know, how are you powering your vision towards a healthier, better lifestyle? And this 3-bean booming Bronx salad is the perfect example. Wow, Mr. Chef Jesse, I can't believe we're done. And people, I only wish you could smell this. So, from our Bronx kitchen to your humble homes, thanks for joining me today. I'm Steve Ritz for Green Bronx Machine with our Green Bronx Machine booming 3-bean salad. Si se puede. See you soon. Bye-bye.